सबको दूंगा. Okay. So
सर मेरे मन
puppy
को
and
नहीं
I.
कराएंगे.
Okay, here are some new words. Okay, you have to tell these new words 5 times by muting the call. Just mute the call and say village, 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 village. Hills, 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 hills. Bread, 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 bread. Hay, 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 hay. Roll, 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 roll. Play, 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 play. Okay. Now reading is fun. Reading is
सर क्या
fun.
बोल रहे हैं?
Now roll number one, Anchal, tell me who is I in the poem.
The I in the poem was the little child.
Very good. Not was, it is na. There here is in the present tense. So we don't have to use was. Was is in past tense. So is. The I is the little child in the poem. Okay, Anchal.
Okay, sir.
Now, Shraddha, how are why you are replying? You are Anchal, Shraddha, Panigree.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yes,
नित्या
yes.
लेट हो
Yeah,
गया.
I got it. Now, where was the man going? Tell me, Ananya.
Sir, the man going down to the village to get some bread.
Yes, very good. Now listen. I said to the man as he went by, where are you going? Down to the village to get some bread.
Bread.
Very good.
Bread.
Now roll number three, Ankisa Samal, tell me why did not the child go with the horse? Why did not the child go with the horse? Why? Why she did not go with the horse? Why?
सर मेरा नाम भी तो सुश्री श्रद्धांजलि है
Okay,
और
fine, it's
अंकल
fine.
का
Now,
नाम भी
Ankisa, I want to talk to Ankisa right now. Ankisha, are you there? Okay. Aradhna, then Aratrika, Asmita,
Yes, sir.
tell me why did not the child go with the horse? Why? Why he did not go with the horse? Why? What was the reason behind this?
The child did did not go with the horse as he was going down to the village to get some hay.
Very good. Because he was going down to the village to get some hay, and the boy didn't have any interest to go to have some hay because he does not eat hay, right? Okay. Now, Jasmine, roll number seven.
Present.
You tell me that why did the child go with the puppy? Why did the child go with the puppy? He did not go with the horse, did not go with the man, did not go with the man. Okay, man and the horse. But
The
why
child go.
the child go?
The child go with the puppy because play.
Okay, the child went with the puppy.
सर ये आंसर मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ
What is your roll number?
सर 19
Okay, you will not you will not get another chance. Okay, tell me.
सर मैं बोलूँ
Yes.
The child went with the puppy because he was going to the hills to roll and play, and the child also wished to play.
Yes, because the child because
क्योंकि
the
वो चाइल्ड खेलना चाहता था
very good.
वह वह ब्रेड लाना नहीं चाहता था और पप्पी भी खेलना चाहता था इसलिए वो पप्पी के साथ गया हॉर्स के साथ नहीं गया
Very good.
कि
Very good.
वो मैन के साथ भी नहीं गया
Very good. Try to speak in English. Okay, this is the English class. If you can speak in English, it will improve your communication skill. It doesn't matter you speak
सर मैं तो
wrong or
इंग्लिश में
correct.
ही बोली
You have
आंसर
to eventually
सर मैं तो इंग्लिश
rectify
में आंसर
yourself.
बोली
Okay, your turn will come. Now roll number 8. Roll number 8.
पर मैं तो इंग्लिश में ही बोली
Yes,
आंसर।
yeah, Ranjulata, I got your point, but when you did explain, na, you explain in Hindi. That's what I am talking about, okay? But you gave the answer in the English. So thank you very much for that. Now, roll number 8, Abhilipsha. I will take your name once, okay? You have to reply if you are, or I will skip you. Roll number 9, roll number 10.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a pet?
No, I do not have a pet.
Poonam, what is the meaning of meaning by pet? What do you understand by the word pet? You can reply in Hindi too.
पेट का मतलब जो हमें सुरक्षा देता है और कुत्ता जो अजनबी आता है उसको भौंककर हमें पता चला जाता है।
यहाँ सुरक्षा की बात नहीं हो सकती, लेकिन हाँ सुरक्षा भी करते हैं कुत्ते, लेकिन जो भी हम
पेट मतलब
पालतू जो भी हम जानवर पालते हैं घर में, ओके, दे आर कॉल्ड पेट. सो प्रज्ञा,
Yes, sir.
you gave me the answer, so thank you. Now roll number 12. Roll number 12.
Sir,
Roll number 13.
roll number
Roll number 13.
सर रोल नंबर 11 को तो आप बुलाए ही नहीं।
Roll number 11.
ये सर मैं हूँ।
Okay, Pratiksha, sorry. So talk about 3 things that you and your pet do together. Do you have a pet?
No sir, I do not have pet.
Okay, roll number 13. Sanvi, do you have a pet?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Any pet, rabbit, dog, parrot, anything it can be. Do you
Sir,
have?
rabbit.
Sanvi, do you have any?
Sir, rabbit.
Rabbit, okay. Talk about 3 things that you and your pet rabbit do together. You and the rabbit do together. Which are the 3 things? Is there any things you do together? Or there are nothing you do together? You don't care about him or her. Sanvi.
So
Sanvi, talk to me.
Sir, play football together. Sir, we see TV. We sleep in a same room.
Okay. We sleep together and we watch TV together, and sometime do you eat together also?
We sleep in a same room.
You sleep in same room and you watch TV too, okay? Like this you all have to give the answer. Very good, Sanvi. Now roll number 4, now Pratiksha, roll number 10.
no sir, प्रज्ञा है।
Pragya, sorry, roll number 10, Pragya. So roll number 14, Suti Sudha.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a pet?
No sir,
You don't have a
not
pet. Okay, Sipra, do you have a pet?
no sir,
Sonia, Susri, Sonia, tell me, do you have a pet? No.
Because he was going to the hill to roll and play, and child
Okay.
wanted to play.
Okay, but my question is, do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? No. Then Susri Jyotirek, I think you must have a pet. Jyoti. Susri Jyoti, absent? How? How can?
Yes, sir. Sir, not absent.
Okay, I thought how you can be absent. So Jyoti, listen. Do you have a pet, Jyotireka?
Yes, sir. I have a pet.
So how do you look after your pet? तुम कैसे उसके देखभाल करते हो? How do you look after your pet?
Sir, we go for a walk daily in the evening. We watch TV together. We
No.
play together in the evening.
But my question is question number 3. How do you look after your pet? Tell the class first in your own language. What is your own language? Is it Odia or Hindi? What is your first language? In which language do you talk in your home?
ओडिया सर।
Okay.
Odia.
Okay.
Odia.
Okay.
Odia.
First, listen. पहले सुश्री ज्योति रेखा. First, सुश्री ज्योति.
Not my pet.
Susri Jyotireka, listen carefully. First, you tell me in Odia that how do you look after pet? तुम्हें तुम्हारा जे भी पालतू जानवर तार केमिति देखभाल करो ओडिया रे कुओ
सर ओडिया में सर अच्छा होगा सर मुझे
you have to tell, you don't to be feel ashamed while speaking your own language. Okay, Jyoti, tell me. So Jyoti, you can tell, right? I should I skip you?
ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଖାଇବାକୁ କ୍ଷୀର ଦିଏ
Okay.
ଆଉ ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ମାଂସ ବି ଦିଏ
Very good.
ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ସକାଳେ ଗାଧେଇ ଦିଏ
Okay. Anything?
ଆଉ ତାକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଯତ୍ନ ସହକାରେ ରଖେ ଆଉ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ କପଡାରେ ସଫା କରିଦିଏ
Oh, ବହୁତ ଭଲ, ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର. Now you now
ଖେଳନା ତିଆରି କରେ ସେ ସେଇଟାରେ ଖେଳେ
okay. ଏବେ ତୁମେ ଯାହା ବି କହିଲ ତାକୁ ଇଂଲିଶ ରେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ କରିକି କୁହ. Now you have to speak the same thing in the English. Just try. Go. Tell me in English what you said. Jyoti.
Sir, I bath him daily. I feed him daily at a fixed time.
Okay.
I have got vaccinated for different diseases. I make his bed. I take care of his cleanness. I play with him. He is my best friend.
Very good. Nice. Very nice. So now, Susri Sadhanjali Tripathi.
Yes, sir.
Susri Sadhanjali Tripathi. Tell me that. Okay. Tell me, do you have a pet?
Yes, sir.
What is his name?
उसका नाम कुट्टू है.
Kuttu. Is it a dog?
No, sir. He is a rabbit.
He is a rabbit. Okay. So, do you play together?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How does he sound?
सर वो साउंड नहीं करता है.
Okay. Speak in English. Okay. Then talk.
जब उसे
English. English, please.
पकड़ती
English.
हूँ.
English. Make mistake, but talk in English. Okay. Go. Carry.
Yes, sir.
When you catch him,
Yes, sir.
tell me 3 things that you and your pet, your rabbit, do together.
We watch a TV together. We play together in the evening. We
Okay.
go for a walk daily in the evening.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Now you all have to say these words aloud. Okay. Everybody just unmute your call and tell these words in loudly. Okay. Bread.
Bread.
Hay.
Bread.
Hay.
Bread.
Roll. Said. Okay. All mute. All mute. All mute. All mute. Okay. Listen. Not like this. Okay. Bread said. We have to say together. Okay. Bread said.
Bread. Hi today.
Hey today.
Right today.
Hey today. Roll. Now roll. Roll poll. Very good. Very good. Now mute. Bread said, hey today. Roll poll. Now you can see these words in the ending, in the end part. These words sound similar. These are called rhyming word. है ना? When you listen or when you listen a rhyme, you can listen that the last words sound similar. Okay, that's why a rhyme sounds so good to hear, right? So that's like that. Bread said, hey today, roll poll. They are sounding similar, like these are the called rhyming words, right? So now we did the question answer of these questions. Now we have to look. Wait a second. Okay, very good. All right, now I have to present a new window This is the this one and this here. So we had some new words, right? Look at these new words very carefully.
Yes,
The
sir.
first new word was village. Village. You all know the meaning of the village. I think you all have lived in a village once in your life at least, right? So village meaning
Yes, sir.
a community of people smaller than a town. Okay, a community of people smaller than a town. Examples: the village is near to the lake. जो गांव है ना वो क्या है, तालाब के किनारे है. वी कैन रीच द विलेज ऑन फुट इन 3 आवर. हम गांव को पैदल चल के 3 घंटे में पहुंच सकते हैं. सत्यव्रत साहू, रीच द क्लास एट द राइट टाइम प्लीज. देन द सेकेंड वर्ड इज हिल्स. ए रेज एरिया, रेज मतलब ऊंचा. ओके, ए रेज एरिया ऑफ लैंड, जमीन का एक ऊंचा एरिया, बट नॉट ह्यूज एज ए माउंटेन. बट माउंटेन जितना उतना बड़ा नहीं है, थोड़ा छोटा. द हिल्स आर स्टीप. स्टीप का मतलब क्या होता है ना, खड़ा, जिसे कहते हैं खड़ा, ढलान. द हिल्स आर स्टीप. इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू वॉक ऑन हिल्स विदाउट शू. हिल में शू के बगैर चलना मुश्किल होता है. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ब्रेड. You all have to write these words and your example sentence of your own words. Okay, you make your own examples, then write bread, baked food made of flour. Okay, I had bread with butter for breakfast. Eating brown breads is good for health. Like that, hay,
सर
dried.
ये भेज देना.
Yeah, no, you can. Okay, now hay, dried grass that is used as food for cattle. Okay, जो घास को सुखा के क्या करते
सर
हैं.
सर थोड़ा पूरा दिखाए. सर थोड़ा पूरा दिखाए, अब मैं स्क्रीनशॉट लूंगा.
I will send you. Okay, I will send you. Don't worry, I will send you. Now hay, dried
Yes,
grass that is used as food for cattle. Cattles मतलब पता है ना आप लोगों को, क्या कहते हैं cattles को हिंदी में?
पहले से दिखाइए वहां से.
No screenshot, I will send you. Okay. अच्छा, कैटल किनको कहते हैं? कैटल हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? सुश्री, कैटल को
किसे बुला रहे हैं?
कैटल को क्या कहते हैं? कैटल्स. कैटल्स क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? ओके, लिसन. जब घास को सूख जाता है ना, जो कैटल्स मतलब होते हैं गाय भैंस, ये सब होते हैं ना, इनको खिलाने के लिए, राइट? सो इसको कहते हैं हे. द हॉर्स एट हे इन द इवनिंग. आई सॉ ए बिग फील्ड फिल्ड विथ हिप्स ऑफ हे. हिप्स मतलब
सर कैटल मतलब
पूरा-
पशु होता है.
हाँ हाँ, पूरा हे
सर,
से पूरा
पशु.
था. वेरी गुड. नाउ रोल. टू मूव बाय टर्निंग ओवर. घूम घूम के जो टर्न होते हैं ना, जो जाते हैं, उसको कहते हैं रोल. टू मूव बाय टर्निंग ओवर, टर्न. Example: he had to roll down on the floor. You have to roll your sandwich to eat. Like that, play. To engage in a playful activity. I like to play football on weekends. The kids play outside for the whole day after their schools get over. Okay. So you can make your own sentence also, right? Who can make a sentence using the word village? Just type yes, I. Type I in the comment. Who want to make a sentence using the word village? Okay, Ananya, make a sentence first. Ananya, make.
I live in village.
I live in a village. Okay. Now Tapanita, make a sentence using the word hills.
Hills.
Yeah,
I go to hill.
I go to hill. Very good. Now Madhusmita Sahu, make a sentence using the word bread.
I eat bread.
I eat bread. You are making very small, very short sentences. Why make a big sentence? You can.
I eat bread.
Okay, now
I love the bread.
Subh Shankar, make a word using the word hey. Okay, Subh.
The bread. Cow eat hay. The cow eat hay.
Sorry,
In the
Susri.
morning.
Susri, make a sentence again. Susri, tell me again.
Sir, the cow eat hay in the morning.
Very
Sir,
good.
मैं बोलूँ.
Now Subhankar.
The cow is eating. The cow is health.
The cow is eating hay. Okay. Now Aniket. Mona Lisa.
Yes, sir.
Aniket, make a sentence using the word roll.
I eat an egg roll.
Okay, very good. But you just made. You have to use roll as a verb, not as a noun. Like a action type of role. Okay. Mona Lisa, make a sentence using the word roll. Mona Lisa.
Yes, sir.
Make
I am eating a roll.
not that type of roll, beta. Not eating type of roll. It's type of
Roll is
turning over. Mona Lisa, can you make a sentence using the word roll?
yes, sir.
Make. Make. You can't make a sentence.
I roll.
Mona Lisa,
Sir, I roll in the.
Yes, sir.
make a sentence using the word roll.
There was a loud drum roll from the
Huh?
restaurant.
Very good. Now,
Like
Jyotirmoy Sahu roll number 44. Ah, can you make a sentence using the word play? Please make.
मैं
Jyotirmoy Sahu roll number 44. Make a sentence using the word play.
Sir, I can say.
सर मैं थोड़ा बोलूंगा सर मैं
All mute.
बोलूंगा
All mute. It's not a good thing. Okay. When I am giving someone the task to speak, nobody should speak and only she or he should speak. Now only Jyotirmoy can speak. Jyotirmoy, unmute the call. Jyotirmoy, unmute the call. Do it fast. We don't have much time. Jyotirmoy, I don't know what type of problem you are facing. So PK Jena, make a
सर मैं
sentence.
बोलूं
Wait. You have already given a sentence. So now, okay, Rina Rani Behra, what is your name, beta?
सर माय नेम इज अमित
Amit, make a sentence using the word play.
सर आई प्ले फुटबॉल
Now this sentence was given by your mom. I think you make your own sentence. Give me your own sentence. Make your own
Sir,
sentence.
I can say fish.
You should make your own sentence. Okay, you can take help, but it's okay, fine. So we have already discussed the questions answer of these
With
questions.
foot.
So let's discuss once again. Who is I in the poem? I in the poem is a child. Okay. Where was the man going? The man was going down to the village to get some bread. Why didn't the child go with the horse? The child did not go with the horse because the horse seemed to be busy in his work. He was going to get hay from the village. Why did the child go with the puppy? The child went with the puppy because the puppy was going up the hill to roll and play, and the kid too wanted to play. Like you kids also love to play like that, okay? Do you have a pet? You can make your own answers of this question. This is a model question, model answer, so you don't have to follow it. You can take help, but you have to make your own sentences. Okay.
सर ये छोड़ दीजिए सर ये ग्रुप में छोड़ दीजिए
Okay, I will now stop. Huh?
No, sir.
Now open your book. There were some picture of some dogs, right?
Page number 56.
Yes. Now first read this poem, okay? Tiblu is my friend. Tiblo has four legs. Tiblo has a long tail. Who is Tiblo? Tiblo barks. Tiblo wags his tail. Tiblo is happy. Who is Tiblo? Tiblo is my dog. So Tiblo जो है ना Tiblo is my friend. Tiblo is my friend. Tiblo has 4 legs. How many legs Tiblo has? It has 4 legs. How many tails do Tiblo have? How many tails does Tiblo?
Sir, one.
One. Very good. Tiblo barks. Boo boo. Tiblo wags his tail. Wags means, you know,
जाना,
rapping.
हिलाना.
Yes.
सर भोगना,
Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Now Tiblo wags his tail. Tiblo is happy. Tiblo बहुत खुश है. Who is Tiblo? Tiblo is my dog. Very good.
dog,
Now look. यहाँ पर कुछ dogs है. Look at the dogs in the picture and write about them. You might begin. I am a little brown dog. My name is whatever. Okay. There is a bulldog. This first one is known as a bulldog. Second one is a boxer. Third one called a German Shepherd. And fourth one is a Doberman. Okay. So and in the page number 66 you have to join the dot and you have to make this dog picture. Okay, you have to just make and send. Now you have to make the sentences using these dogs. Okay, now Aditya Anmol, roll number 21, can you make a sentence? I can first see a model question, a model answer. Okay, then we will go for it. Wait a second. Wait. Just a second, beta. Just a second. Okay. Now listen. Now like this. Bulldog. I am a bulldog.
टाइम हो गया है.
Stop. Okay. I am a bulldog. I have a big head. The first one is a bulldog. Look at the picture. I have a big head, short and flat nose. My neck is short and
bulldog का नाम क्या है?
yes, you can write the name also. Yes, you can write the name. Anything. Okay, fast listen. First, read the model answer. Then you can make your own answer. My neck is short and thick. Overall, I am short. Like that boxer. I am a boxer. I am a large dog with short and flat nose. My tail is short. My hair is smooth. German Shepherd. I am a German Shepherd. I help police in catching the thieves. चोर पकड़ने में मदद करता हूँ. आई ऑल्सो हेल्प इन गार्डिंग बिल्डिंग्स. मैं ऑल्सो क्या करता हूँ ना, मकान को देखभाल करता हूँ. डोबरमैन. I am a Doberman. I help in guarding buildings. I am a large dog with short hair. Like this, you have to make your own sentences. You don't have to copy these sentences. You have to make your own sentences. Now, Aditya Anmol.
सर मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ.
Bolo. Speak in English. In the English class, you have to speak in English only. I can only listen you when you speak in English.
Give food to stink dog.
Okay, Aditya Anmol, roll number 21. 22 Aniket, I have already given you chance. Roll number 23 Anil Kumar Samal. Now Anurag Mahapatra 24.
Yes sir.
Anurag, make your own sentence about this bulldog.
क्या
Speak in English.
Bulldog.
Yes.
I am a bulldog. My name is Roxy.
Okay.
I am a short and strong dog. I have a large head.
Okay.
My nose is short and flat. I have a short and thick neck.
Very good. Now Aradhana Dalai present, absent. Pragya, not Pragya, Nivedita, absent. Rasmita Sahu. Then Susma Sethi. Biswajit Sahu.
Yes, sir.
Biswajit, make a sentence for this boxer. Make. I am a boxer. My name is. Give a name. Biswajit. Give any name.
Yes, sir.
Give a name to this boxer. This one. This is a boxer. Give a name to this dog. Tony. Susri is writing Tony. Okay. Any name you can give. Okay. My name is Tony. My color is.
सर मैं कुछ बोलूं?
Not in Hindi.
सर
Sir, I want to say something.
First, listen. All silent. Biswajit Sahu. Are you unable to make sentence? Can't you make sentence? Vishwajit,
Yes, sir.
tell me, I am a boxer. Tell me, I am a boxer. Tell me, I am a boxer. Tell me, repeat. Vishwajit, repeat. I am a boxer.
I am a boxer.
Yes, my name is Tony, or whatever you can give your own name. Tell me, my name is Tony.
सर मेरा नाम टॉमी है तो कैसे देना चाहूंगी
All silent. Whenever I'm talking to someone, your job is to keep silence. Okay? Vishwajit.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me, my name is. Give a name.
Boxer.
The name. You know, this is a boxer. This dog is called boxer, but you have to give your own name. My name is. Give a name. कोई सा भी एक name दो इसको.
Sir, Tony.
Okay, my name is Tony. My color is.
Brown.
Very good. Like this, you all have to make sentence about 4 of them. Okay. Now moving to the next question.
सर मैं बॉक्सर की कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ सेंटेंस
अंकिता, अभी आप इसके बारे में मुझे बताओगे, ठीक है? Match the animal.
Yes, sir.
Match the animal with their sounds. These are some name of some animals, and these are their sounds. Okay. When they don't speak, but like a dog, boo boo. Like this is called bark. Like that.
Yes, sir.
What is the sound of horse called, Ankisa?
नहीं
Neigh. Very good. And the sound of the dog is called
bark
bark. Boo boo. And the sound of sheep is called.
bleat
Very good. The sound of a cat is called.
Sir, meow.
The sound of an elephant.
Trumpet.
The sound of a tiger. Roar. Very good. The sound of a cow is called. Very good. Moo. Very good. Okay. There are some animals. Okay. And you have to write whether they are domestic animal or wild animal. We can do this in the next class first. Okay.
एक बच्चा बोलता है तो सब बच्चे बोल देते हैं
Okay, this is not a good habit. First of all, we can make the answer of question number 2 from the next class.